Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna use Python and NumPy to check whether a set of vectors is linearly independent. This is a really important concept in linear algebra and it has applications in everything from computer graphics to machine learning. We start by importing NumPy and defining our vectors as a matrix. In this example, we have three vectors in three-dimensional space. So this is the given matrix that is 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, minus 5, 3, 0, 1. Each row represents one vector. Now the big question is, are these vectors linearly independent? In other words, can one of them be written as a combination of the others? Or do they span the full three-dimensional space? To answer this, we calculate the determinant of the matrix in NumPy. That's done with np.linalg.det vectors. The determinant tells us whether the matrix is invertible. If the determinant is 0, the matrix is singular, which means the vectors are linearly dependent. If the determinant is non-zero, the vectors are linearly independent. In our code, we print the determinant. Then we check if the determinant is very close to 0. Within a small tolerance, we say the vectors are dependent. Otherwise, they're independent. This tolerance is important because floating point calculations in Python can produce tiny rounding errors. So, what happens with our example? The determinant comes out to a non zero value. That means the three vectors are linearly independent. They span the entire three dimensional space, and none of them can be expressed as a combination of the others. And that's it. With just a few lines of Python, we check the linear independence of vectors using the determinant. This is a powerful tool because it connects abstract math concepts directly to practical computation. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more math with Python tutorials. Thanks for watching.